Welcome to the next episode of Polymer Clay Modeling. Here we need two separate colors, one pink and one green, and our quelling tools. So just take some circles out of it. I'm using a stencil to get a proper petals. Every petal should be of same size and circle. So I'm just using the stencil for it. Likewise, you have to collect a different number of petals. Each we will be arranging one on the top of the other. Just place it above the one. You have to arrange the bigger one till the end. The smaller one I'm keeping it in the front. This is also a smaller one, so I'm just keeping it in the front. Just roll over it so that everything should get stick to each other. It should not come out. So for that, we're just pressing the bottom part to a certain extent. Now what we have to do is we have to start rolling these petals to a form of flower. We'll start from the edges where we place the smaller one and start to roll slowly, one petal after the other. Now we have to lift these petals slowly. We have to, so that it should give a feel of a flower. So now our polymer clay flower is ready. We can cut the excess part if we don't want, because we have to stick it with the green leaf, so we don't want that. Now let's see the green leaf we are making this flower. Just make the shape. The middle portion we have to reduce, and the other two edges we have to slightly press. Just form like a ball. This portion we are keeping it as a bit so that we can place the flower in the middle of it. Just mark the veins. So just take a needle polymer clay tool and just draw on it. And the edges should be better to have with the slits. So I'm just slitting the edges. Have a better feel for the leaf. So both the edges we have to do it. Just press the middle so that we can place the flower in. Once this is done, okay, so now our flower is ready to keep for this. Before keeping that, we have to bake this flower in the oven. Okay, this is a hair clip, and just apply little adhesive glue and bake the clay. I'm just placing on the top. Just leave it for firm, so you can use this as a hair clip. Especially for kids, it will look very cute.